So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Claiming your website on Pinterest is essential for accessing analytics, unlocking rich pins, and showing your domain on your profile. According to Pinterest Help, you need to verify ownership through one of three methods: either adding an HTML tag, uploading an HTML file, or adding DNS text record. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go ahead generally and talk about how to claim your website on Pinterest. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first thing first, access the claim settings. From your Pinterest account, go all the way to settings, look for accounts. Click claim the accounts on the left toolbar, now select website, then click claim. A pop-up will appear with three verification methods. You can claim via HTML tag is the easiest. So also this is the most common method. In the pop-up window, select add HTML tag, copy the tag. It will look like the meta name, domain verify, and the content with a lot of numbers. Only copy the number part after the content, not the full tag, because that's the only part that you're gonna need. Now paste the tag into the section of your website's homepage HTML. Return to the Pinterest pop-up and click on continue. So you can also try to claim via the HTML file or even via the DNS text record. As I told you, there is multiple verification unlocks as well. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.